Are you a nursing mother or stay at home mom? Learning many things, guys, is something worth to embark on. Guys, experiencing many things at home doesn't mean you don't have plans anymore. But at that period, what are you learning? Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys the testimonial on this process of making this hair. Guys, these have helped me to learn a lot. When I mean a lot. So are you a nursing mom or stay at home mom? What did you have as in learning? As in the will you just fold your hand just as in saying I'm a nursing mom? Guys, I gotta tell you guys many things I've learned at home, and not that you are learning it doesn't mean you don't have plans anymore. So number one is this hair. Guys, I just want to tell you guys my testimony about this hair. There is nothing that had me like plaiting hair. Guys, if I can do it, I think you can as well do it, guys. So I don't want to talk much. Only what I could say is that learning many things, experiencing many things is what it's as in is something worth to embark on. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I single-handedly make this hair all by myself. There is nothing that very hard for me like making hair. Guys, I must testify. I can learn other things, but when it comes to making hair, count me off. But as I finally get doing this as in reach this level of making my hair like this, I don't think nobody else will not learn this. Once you put effort, effort matters in everything. Okay, without as in gisting you down with a lot of gist, let's dive into making this hair. So I'm not a hairdresser, if I may, so be it, but I'm not one as long as now is concerned, but in future I might be. So I'm still learning as in many things and how to play this hair. I used to watch many videos based on this, and I as in I will not lie you, it's all those videos has helped me to learn a lot of things. So today I just decided this is not the first time making this myself, but I say you know what, I gonna put it out here so that stay or nursing mom or you waiting on something or planning on something, you can still use all these things to keep yourself busy. Guys, no knowledge is a waste. Even if you don't want to use this as your career, at least know how to do it yourself. It's worth it, because when you don't see nobody doing it to you, you can as well do it to yourself. Guys, as I'm doing this myself, as in I say I'm the happiest person so far. You get, not that I'm not happy when someone else is doing it to me, but the one I do to myself as in makes me happy, because it's not easy achieving something that worth as in something that worth something. So guys, watch me do this single-handedly. At some point I say I just want to give up on learning how to do this hair, because as in using my hands as in index finger is very hard for me. But as I keep on putting on those videos, I say, you know what, these people making all this hair, they don't have two hands, they don't have two heads, it's only one. So how many did they learn this? Am I a robot? I say, you know what, I think this is effort. they put effort on this before they learn it. So I gonna put this effort to know if I can, as in single-handedly achieve making hair myself, even if I didn't make another person. But it can turn to as in plan B to you guys. I'm not bringing you down with a lot of gist here. I'm just telling you the reality. This is not my plan A. It's not my plan A, but you can never tell. So your plan B can later turn to your plan A. So that's it. So guys, you see how I section my hair? Firstly, because I'm doing this myself, I don't usually see my back. You know what? I just use mirror to section this hair. After sectioning my hair, guys, I use edge control. I'm gonna show it, as in it's gonna pop up on this video for you to see the kind of edge control I'm using. Would I say, or you can buy wires gel or gel wires. Any which way, the one that is suitable for you, go for that. And you know, there is one that as in come widishly, maybe after using it, applying it on your hair, it will, when the hair dries, it will as in come up as in looking whitish. So as in before you buy, check very well the one you need to buy, so that it doesn't go further to spoil your hair or make it look dirtier. So guys, okay, watch me do this. I use many styles on this hair. Firstly, because I'm doing this myself, I just section my hair into three, apply the gel wires or as in edge control, then as in put attachments, separated attachments from my hair, as in section everything into three. So my hair need to be at the middle, so I make sure my hair comes to the middle. So I'll be using attachment need to be into two, my hair comes at the middle, which is three. So I'm going as in plating it with the tray, with my hair and the attachments. Guys, even if I didn't explain this very well, pardon me, I'm still a learner. Yes. So, boy, I think you get me. You got me. Okay, that's how I started learning how to put my index finger. I think it has getting better now, unlike before. So guys, when I am making this, if anybody tell me I will be the one doing this myself, I will doubt you uncountable times, because I couldn't believe myself I can make this because the way, as in the way I will even put the hand. Sometimes I'll be worried, how will I put that hand? How will the hand go? That's my that's my problem. But you know what? At time, as I keep on watching and putting effort, I think I'm getting better. Not that I'm perfect. So what am I saying in instance is that if me being, as in if I can do this, I don't believe nobody else cannot do this. So what I noticed, that for you to acquire things or learn many things is your effort. When you put effort in everything, I think there is no one you can never learn, because we all have one head. It's not two heads we have. So, but when you don't learn it, it means that you've never put in effort to learn it. Because then I was like, how did they put this hand? As in all their index finger, how is it rotating this way? How will I go about that? So now I noticed that I've never tried putting effort then. So now that I decided to put effort on making this hair, there it goes. Guys, I think I've finished making this hair. Guys, this is my testimonial. So what am I saying? Once you are home doesn't mean that as in you can't do anything anymore, Once you are at home planning on something, or are you a nursing mom, as in taking care of kids, there is something you can still learn in the comfort of your own home. Yes, don't just say because I'm a nursing mom or I'm this, I'm that, there is nothing I can learn anymore. Guys, I'm just giving you guys the clue on what to be doing when you are at home, or when you are waiting on or planning on something, or when you are maybe a nursing mom. So I'm gonna keep on bringing more things I'm learning at home, as in when I have in my schedule, when I schedule myself, when I schedule my time, the things I learn at home. Guys, you might be working maybe a short time work, you can probably use it to learn something. That hours that remain, you can use it to learn something. Guys, don't allow your time and your days just be passing by like that without you achieving nothing. Guys, I don't think it's good for us. So if I can do this hair like this, you can as well do it. So guys, I tried two things on this wrapping of hair, because I just want to make the mouth coiling. I just want to coil the mouth. But I tried the first one, as in the coiling will not give me exactly what I wanted. So I said, you know what, let me try it this way. So watch out how it gonna come out looking. Guys, what am I saying? Learn many things at home. Don't say this one doesn't concern me, this one concern all these hairstylists. No, you can still learn it. You can still learn it. You don't know how future will be. So handwork pays. If you put effort to learn all those things, even if you don't want to use it as your occupation or as your career, at least learn it yourself. Take for instance, you don't have money at hand, or you don't see anybody doing this for you. You won't say because I didn't see anybody doing it for me, for that I wouldn't make my hair, I wouldn't look good again. Not only hair, I will still put up videos on how to fix eyelashes, on how to do makeup. Please go to my YouTube channel, you will see all those things. For you staying at home thinking on what to do, as in you don't know where to start, or you don't know the things to learn, guys, I'm telling you now the things you need to be learning at home, especially those handworks. Those ones is even very, very important. As we are learning it and practicing it, guys, as you are learning it and practicing yourself, guys, you never can tell. Someone might pop up one day and say, you know what, I saw your video, as in where you are making hair. Can you just make my hair this way? So you never can tell. So learning many things at home worth it, and it will still better you in future, guys. Look at how this turn out looking, guys, because after, as in plating it back, I put it inside hot water to stretch it. Look at how the coiling look, guys. I've never done coiling before, but check out, guys, the baby is looking tantalizer, I must say. Guys, please subscribe and share this video for others to learn. Thanks.